For more on China's poverty alleviation efforts, I'm joined now by Sara in New York. She's an associate professor of economics at the State University of New York. Sara, great to see you and welcome back to CGTN.
Thank you, Wang Guan.
At least 500 million people in China have been lifted out of poverty since the 1980s reform. You've done plenty of research about it. What is behind China's success story?
So a lot of people were lifted out of poverty because of China's progress in industrialization and urbanization. Secondly, people were also lifted out of poverty through social programs, such as programs targeting healthcare and education. And then thirdly, a lot of people who were left behind have been targeted through programs that pair regions who are wealthier with regions that are poorer, and also through programs that assist people through microfinance or through training.
We look at the situation around the world. Many countries, especially those in sub-Saharan Africa, are still struggling to come up with their own ways to fight poverty. Do you think China's methods and models, if you will, for poverty alleviation is applicable elsewhere?
Well, certainly. I think that the programs that focus on industrialization or on social spending, including healthcare and education, may be somewhat more difficult for these countries. But the programs that focus on training smaller populations, that focus on microfinance or other types of poverty alleviation might be really beneficial.
Chinese President Xi Jinping set a goal to completely eliminate poverty by 2020. That sounds ambitious. Do you think China can do that?
Yes, I really think so. Having seen a lot of the work firsthand, China is hard at work building infrastructure to connect poor areas that lack markets to sell their goods to more urbanized regions. They're hard at work relocating people from poor mountainous areas in particular to other regions, and to helping people who previously lacked assistance to receive assistance from the government.
And we know the government of China has taken an interesting tactic, using incentives for tourism, business, and charity to help reduce poverty. How successful has that collaboration been?
So that's been pretty successful. The program that focuses on tourism has looked at promoting ecotourism and promoting certain areas that have natural beauty to Chinese citizens for vacations. The other programs involve businesses, and the businesses have been working to further employ individuals in their companies, as well as to train and also to assist the individuals for corporate social responsibility programs. And the charities have also assisted the poor, such as the China Foundation for Poverty Alleviation has striven to assist individuals through many methods.
Yes, lots of challenges ahead, but thank you for your research and your insight about what lies ahead for China's poverty alleviation. Come back to our show soon.
Great.